guys, we have a tour for the cat's house. First we have the living room. Next we have the cat.
Cat. There.
Oh, it's so cute. Next is
Our.
man.
Nathan, oh, we did it all.
no.
There is a sun sa
Oh
box.
my god.
Tama na.
Over here, you can see the roof. There is a flat screen TV and a remote, a big remote. Well, next we have the flower. And this is the bed over here. And next we build it. Did you see that toy over here? And look at what our cat is holding.
Where's the toy
right now.
cat? Where's the toy car?
He's holding this one. He loves it so. And we have this toy truck. It's color green and yellow. My favorite colors.
Me too.
So thank you.
Subscribers.
Okay.
Okay, let's find.